Guys, Redmi launched its first ever wearable in China. It goes by the name Redmi Band. Yes, no surprises there. And don't confuse yourself with Mi Band and Redmi Band lineup. They are completely different because Redmi Band is from Redmi and not from Xiaomi. Xiaomi launches Mi Band, and to be honest, everyone was expecting Mi Band 5 to launch alongside this Redmi Band. But that didn't happen. Anyways, the best part about this band is the price. The company has announced the retail price for the band and it's just 99 yuan. That roughly translates to rupees 1000. But you can also get it for 95 yuan from April 9th as part of crowdfunding initiative. This band will compete directly with Realme Band, which was launched recently with a price tag of rupees 1499 in India. For design, Realme Band looks similar to Fitbit fitness trackers, and Xiaomi has done a tasteful design here. The design is quite simple and minimalistic, but the square-shaped screen module looks classy, and it comes with 4 colors: black, blue, red and brown. In terms of the specs, this fitness wearable brings with itself a 1.08-inch rectangular color LCD display with 72 face options. It also gets a touch button at the bottom like Realme Band, so it's not a touch display. Anyways, moving further, the features too are quite in line with what competing Chinese players are offering, like a 14-day battery life with a single charge. And yes, it will charge directly like Realme Band. You don't need a separate cable to charge this fitness band. Apart from this, the Redmi Band also brings heart rate monitoring feature and has support for sleep monitoring to provide more valuable data. It also gets 5 ATM level of waterproof, which means it can withstand pressures equivalent to about 50 meters. It also shows notifications from your smartphone and can show text messages from supported apps. The Redmi Band, however, does not bring NFC for contactless payments and more NFC stuff, but we can't expect them to provide all these features at this price point. So what do you think about this fitness band? Would you get one? Do let me know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.